following government's announcement last year that all schools will be expected to teach Siswati. The Ministry of Education issued a circular reminding schools that the subject is among the core subjects that all pupils must do, and it is not an elective subject. The acting principal secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Sibongile Mtshali, says a government reinforced a policy that was already in place, as it was some schools that illegally decided to make Siswati an elective subject, yet it is a core subject.
So in terms of Siswati being a core, it has always been a core, and we've had another special paper for those that were non-Siswati speakers. So we had that option, but what we discovered later on as we continued in the past years was that now Swazis were now writing that easy paper instead of doing the original Siswati paper. So we had issues there, but otherwise we have that option to say all students that are in the Swazi schools, you have to do Siswati, regardless of whether you are foreign or not, because there is that other paper that you have to do. So when His Excellency, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, reinforced this when he was launching the Siswati language board at the George, to other people it seemed like, oh, now he's introducing something new. No, he was re-emphasizing that Siswati is a core subject, and as Swazis we have to have Siswati as our national language and mother tongue.
Dr. Mtshali added that those schools and parents who will not heed government and the ministry's call, the greatest sufferer will be the children. The chairman of the Siswati Language Board, Sibusiso Mkhonda, says the protection of the Siswati language is of national concern. Mkhonda says they've already engaged preschools in a meeting where they urged them to also teach Siswati.
We also went on to talk to the other levels, people involved in primary and secondary. The expression, or maybe what they understood, was that Siswati was slowly dying and that something had to be done. Some interventions needed to be done to ensure that the language is put back to its position and that it's upgraded. This year, you may ask what we will be doing. Starting from last year, the Minister of Education that we have been working with, following the launch of the board, you will recall that the head of government said quite a bit about what the concerns were. And following that, a circular has been issued to schools, and we hope that through the circular, Siswati will now be a core subject.
Mkhonda says there is a lot that they will do in 2018, including the re-establishment of the Siswati Academy, which will come in handy in the protection and preservation of the Siswati language. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane with Ernest Mabaso, Zulwini.